Morning guys, Skeeter Handyman here with another quick video. Today I'm just going to be talking about these gate kits. So you can get these gate kits so you can make a gate door or like a barn shed door to any size you want. It comes with big 4 metal brackets. And I'll show it here. This is the one I bought from Home Depot. I've seen other ones with different packaging, different name. These are from Peak. They're essentially the same thing. It allows you to put together a gate or a door really quickly. So I think they're going to work well, but I just have a couple of tips I wanted to show you, so you don't try and do the same thing that I was thinking of doing. So they come with screws, but look at how tiny these are. I don't know if you can focus on that. There you go. See how small that is? It's a nice screw, it's decent, but come on, it's not going to work. So what I am doing, I'm using, these happen to be galvanized, you don't have to use galvanized. I'm using a lag screw like this. Much better. So I'll show you where I'm putting them. So in the top ones, this is the top left corner, you have your hinge here, right? You're supposed to put one here before you assemble this 2x4. So you drill a pilot hole here. Always use pilot holes when you're putting in lag screws, or it's going to split your wood and won't hold nearly as well. So just drill a pilot hole first, a little bit smaller than that center shank there. And then drill a pilot hole here, and you fasten those two, and these go in, as you can see, nice and deep. So this is a 2x4, which is what, 3.5. So these are probably 2.5 inch bolts. Once you have that done, another board's supposed to slide in here. But now you're going to hit this so your board won't go flat. So all I did was take a little Forstner bit, I think they call them. Where'd it go? There we go. Just take a little Forstner bit, and then I drilled a hole at the end of my plank, right there. And now you can slide that up inside, and it's going to go right over that bolt and line up nice and tight with the metal bracket, because that's what you want to hold it nice and square. So then you can continue. You drill a pilot hole here, put in a lag screw here. It's a little hard to get in here unless you have an angle adapter for your socket set that you can put on your impact gun, which you could do. But since I have 2 big lag bolts here and one at the top, I'm just going to put one of those black screws, as they recommend for the whole thing. I'm just going to put that black screw in just on a tiny bit of an angle, and then you can get that through there. So that's how I'm doing it. So hopefully this gives you some help if you're using one of these gate kits. They're great, and they're fast, and they give you a nice square strong door, of course, and then you put your slats down this way, and then it becomes a nice looking door. But I do not recommend using those tiny little screws for the whole thing. It's just going to be weak and flimsy. You want to do something proper, so you get some nice big lag screws and drill some pilot holes. That's it for today. Thanks guys.